Hey there, Phoenixes, and welcome to another week of Free Create Fridays, your weekly inspiration for your creative soul. So this week we are going to be starting a two-parter where I show you how to make this beautiful macrame necklace. Look how beautiful this is. I get so many compliments on these, and this is definitely the craft for the season. Summer comes out, the macrame comes out, the sandals come out, and it is a whole new ball game. So this week I'm going to be showing you step one of how to make this beautiful necklace, and that is going to be how to create the cradle that you see here for your center stone. Now this stone can be something that you find on the ground, it could be something that you bought, it can be a crystal, it can be a shell, it can really be anything that your heart desires. And here is one as an example that is separate, so you can see a little bit better of what that is going to look like. And of course I will be making a necklace to go along with this one too, to show you for the finale for next week. So come on in, let's get started. Let's gather up our materials and have a little bit of stretch time. I'm going to show you and introduce you to power poses starting this week, which are absolutely fabulous. You are going to love them, even easier than stretching, and give you an amazing boost in energy and confidence. I love using them all the time. So let's gather up all of our stuff and get started on making this gorgeous necklace. I can't wait to show this to you guys. It's so awesome. Phoenixes, we are going to get stretching here as always. Always love to start these off with a stretch. If you've not taken the chance to join us in the stretch time, I highly suggest you do so, because as we all know, stretching not only benefits the physical body, but also the mental, emotional, and spiritual bodies as well. This week, I'm going to be introducing to you power poses along with our stretches, because power poses are absolutely phenomenal. There's a TED Talk on them if you are not familiar on all the intricacies of them, but basically it is holding your body in such a position that it creates adrenaline and positive hormones and circulation. It promotes all of these things along with an energetic change. So we will be showing you one of those this week, and because this is a two-parter, I will be showing you the other one next week. Well, and there's many that you can do, but two of my favorites. So we're going to start with our reach up and bend forward, always to get that nice stretch in there, flat back. I always find myself doing this sometimes in the middle of the day. Just out in the middle of the kitchen. Frank will walk in on me, and I'm sitting like this, standing like this. He goes, "Oh, must be stretching." Roll it up. Reach up and lean back. Oh, very nice, very nice. Woo. Adjust myself here. I'm gonna do some twists just to get that core in there. A few more. Awesome. Ooh, felt it right through here today. So, power poses. One of my favorite power poses ever, and you will not believe how much better you feel after this, is called the Wonder Woman. And of course, feet shoulder width apart. You want to stick your hands on your hips, shoulders back, chest out, neck long. Now you're not reaching or doing anything like that, but literally, quite honestly, standing in this position, and I'm going to look at my counter and watch it for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Standing like this. Breathing nice and deep into your chest. I know I sometimes like to rock back and forth to play with the balance, stretch the ankles at the same time. you will be amazed at how much better you feel, how much more confident you feel, how much more energy you will feel that you have by just taking these 2 minutes and doing a power pose. So this is even easier than stretching penises. So if you have not joined us yet, come on and join us. You know you want to. You know you want to feel better. Getting there, halfway through. Next week is going to be the celebration pose, which is a little harder to hold. Arms straight up in the air. But that one gets you going even better. Sometimes I like to alternate between the two. I'll do a minute of this one and a minute of the one I'll show you next week. So easy, so quick. 2 minutes, 2 minutes of your time to re-energize yourself. I mean, honestly, it's so simple. We make it so difficult, but it's really so simple. Almost there, 20 more seconds. Chest breath. And done. Shake it up, shake it, shake it. Whew, I feel better already. I mean, just that. I can feel the energy moving in through my heart chakra, opening up into my throat, all kinds of wonderful things. And it is in and of itself a stretch to stand like this, just to stand there. So thank you for joining me on this stretch. I know you love to do it. We're gonna get all of our materials together now, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make this super cute macrame necklace. Step 1, how to cradle or wrap your stone. Let's get going. Here's what you're gonna need to do this project. We have some hemp cord. You can also do this in the embroidery thread, like last week's project. Some stones that are a little bit bigger, also have no holes. This is perfect for that. You are going to need your ruler to measure out the size of your cording, scissors to cut it all out, and some tape to hold it down to your surface. So gather all of your stuff, and I'll see you on the other side. right, Phoenixes, we are all finished off here with the first half of our 2-part necklace series that we will be doing this week and next week. Here they are, all cradled in their wrapping. How beautiful is that? And I love the difference in texture and feel that you get by using the 2 different thread mediums, where you have your hem cord here and your embroidery thread here, both equally as beautiful, but they definitely have their own style, which I absolutely love, being able to change it up to your style just by the materials that you use, depending on the cord or the stone or shell or bead that you choose to wrap. You can make it totally your own. And it's all the same pattern. Super simple and easy. I absolutely love it. And I can't wait to see your finished necklaces after next week. So join us then for the finishing off of this 2-parter. This has been Daniela of Redesign Your Life Forever, and I will see you next time.